I think it was my idea to start a brewery. Our first task was write down as many names as you could possibly come up with. I think we started with 400.
It's about 450.
And it kept kind of coming back to one name. It was Restoration. And that ended up being the one we were able to settle on.
Any business venture, everybody has different goals, where they want to move in life, how much time they want to spend, what they think it's about. Our goal was to grow the business from the start.
You hear all the time how small businesses are the way to go, but we weren't really feeling that support.
So through a friend of a friend, we actually had met a banker through First Commonwealth Bank that, to our surprise, actually showed up here and wanted to talk to us.
They introduced themselves by first name and wanted to know about us, and they wanted to know about what we do, and then they actually got to feel what we were trying to embrace with the community. It kind of made us really feel important. It's weird, no one's ever done that for us before.
Working with First Commonwealth Bank has allowed us to do bigger and better things. We've improved our brewery by adding tanks. We've opened for lunches. We've added salaried employees, and we're growing the business in the vision that we had from the get-go.
I feel like we've made friends at First Commonwealth, and I think when you're friends with somebody, you have trust and you have more confidence in them. I don't think we felt that way about another bank.
We like to say that we're restoring people's palate one craft beer at a time. Financing with First Commonwealth Bank has allowed us to keep doing what we're doing without having to give up kind of what we believe in and what we've been working so hard for.